Manipur University ke academy session English ngani tara humdoi dagi English ngani kun phaobagi convocation pangthokkhre University asigi makada leidiba School of Agricultural Sciences, Education, Engineering, Human and Environmental Sciences, Humanities, Life Sciences, Mathematics and Physics Sciences, Medical Sciences, Social Sciences hariba department sing asida gold medal amade degree fanglakraba mahirui singda medal amade certificate sing lanthokkhre thoram aduga mari leinana state asigi governor Jekuma Balana leibag asigi North East State singda leiriba university singi manungda premier institution ama oina khanaraba university amani awangba thaki mahai tamba haiba asina afaba pukning wakhal galoinana afaba firep lauzaba ngambata natana Chaukhatpa nation ama ohenbadasu mathau tai ngasi mahairoi sing asina matam changna honarakpa kayana phangliba mahai sing asina Bixit Bharat ama ohenbada mateng oigane amadi state asibu ingtappa amade amabu ikai khumnaba santi leiba lamdam ama ohenaba honabada naha singi tawdaba yadraba thak tangai fadana thodang kaya lei haiba wafam sing phongdokhiba loinena masigi thoram asida gold medal amade tongan ba degree sing pai fanglakraba mahiroi sing busu thagatpa phongdokhi.
The Northeast region and Manipur in particular holds immense strategic, cultural and economic significance in India's development journey. The youth of this region have a unique responsibility to act as catalysts of peace, stability and progress. Equally important is the role you must play in fostering social harmony. Education must inspire not only intellect but also compassion. I urge you to become ambassadors of tolerance, inclusivity and mutual respect.
Amaromda thoram aduda guest of honor gi warol piraduna chief minister Imam Khemchana haikibda university asina ngasi faubda mahiroi singda afaba makhal gi khodong chaba kaya piduna lakhle amadi awangba thaki mahima sing tamhanduna public policy training research amadi development gi lamda kumang chauksin ba ngamhalli leiriba state lengak asina so university asibu tungkoina mahiroi singi damak afaba thaba kaya tawba angamba mateng pangduna chatminagani haike masda natana ngasi mai paglakraba mahiroi singbu thagat pagaloinana makoina haizariba mahi sing aduna leibak asibu chaukhatpa leibak ama ohenbada hotnaba makoige oina thodang sing mapung fana utnaba wafam kaya phongdokhi.
I'm delighted to see that 572 students of Manipur University have been placed in various government and private sector positions in the last 2 years. My dear graduate students, remember that you carry with you something far more valuable than a degree. You carry a valuable knowledge and sense of responsibility that this university has invested in you. You are a strong driving force to the growth of our state and the nation.